So you've made a cool video, but you got to trim out a little bit. You want to make it a little bit better and post it on your favorite social. Well, I'm going to show you how to do that. Stick around for just a moment. Hey, welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And I'm going to show you how to take a little video like that and turn it into something much better, much more professional, something that people want to see using YouCut. Now, if you haven't seen my other video, or you don't have YouCut installed on your phone already, I'm going to provide a link to to show you how to download this, install it, and get it ready to go. If you already have YouCut, well, it's just as easy as pulling it up. We're going to come in here and we're going to hit New Project. We're going to scroll down to where the videos are that you want to use. Up, and we went too far. It's going to be this one and this one. We'll hit that arrow for next. On our timeline down here, we see that I started recording a little bit too soon, and we want to trim some of that away. We want to get right to the action. So we're going to go back to about where it's kind of slowish, as they're still getting ready right here. Highlight the video, split it, and it's this first part over here that we don't want. So we're going to delete that. If we made a mistake and deleted the wrong thing, we can use this back button to go back to undo that and put that first part of the video back in. But we see that this is the part that we wanted to keep, so that's good. Now, if something happens that you have to stop and come back to this later, hit this little arrow back here. Don't hit the save button. Don't do that yet. Hit this little back button right here, and it takes you to the main screen. So that when you do have time to finish it, hit the plus button, and your latest project is still down here. If you want to rename it something, you have the options right here to either delete it, copy it, or simply add a new name like Mom's Cast. And now it has a name. Alright, let's get back to it. The video should have a title. If we want, we can hit text, and then type in whatever we want to say. Hit the check mark for OK, and you can move it to wherever you want, or you can increase the size or the angle. If you wanted a different place in the video, hold it and move it to various places. And it's just that simple. We want this at the beginning, so we'll go back that way. How about right there, just about right there. Yeah. If I wanted to increase this in length, right now we can see that it's like 4 seconds long. Hit the arrow and just simply pull it out a little bit longer, and it'll tell you the time that it's increasing by. And we'll put that back because I think that's good enough. We want to add another part of it. Maybe this part didn't get it all being cut out, so we need to add another part that we forgot earlier. We'll hit that plus sign and it goes back to your video list. Let's see, we did the first one, we did the second one. Well, this one looks a little bit longer, so let's add that in there. Yeah. Now as we scroll through, we can see that second part of the video getting added in. They do some cuts in this section and some cuts in this section of the old cast. Well, we don't need her walking around and walking away, so we're going to stop right there, highlight it, split the screen, and delete that other part. We can see down here that our video is 30 seconds long. If we want to shorten it, we can. Or maybe we want to, let's add her getting the new cast on there. So we'll go back and hit that plus button again. And this is the video that has her getting the new cast. We'll send that over. And here it picks up, the timeline picks up right where we added that. Again, I started in the wrong place, looking at the floor, so we want to get rid of that. How about right there. Highlight it, split it. That's the bad part. Delete. Now, one thing I've noticed is I don't like how it just jumps screens like that. That doesn't look too smooth. So let's add a transition to it. How do you do that? Click that little button right there for the transitions. We can get a preview of what this is going to look like just by clicking any one of them, and it'll show. It'll do a little repeat showing of what it looks like. I think I'm just going to try the fade to black. Yeah, that looks better. Now I want this to go through all of the videos. If I just wanted for this one video, I would hit the single check mark, but since I want it to go through all of the videos, I'll click this and it says apply to all. There we go. And now this will join all of the sections together like that. And here we can see Mom getting her new green cast. The nurse was actually mad at me for filming this, so I had to stop right there. But I have a picture of it when she was done, so let's add that picture to it. You can hit that plus sign again. Now instead of video, we're going to click photo. Now if you wanted to go through everything you have, you just click all. But by clicking photo, it takes you to just the picture. Okay, I know that picture of her cast is in here somewhere. There it is. Click that. Add that. Let's do that same transition thing. Fade to black. Click the check mark because we're only adding it to that one thing. And if we go back, we'll look and see that these are still there. Let's make this picture a little extra. We'll highlight it. And let's see, go down to effects. And no, we don't want glitches. Maybe graffiti. Something fancy for moms. Do we want zoom? No. Dark. Retro magic. Explosion. Lightning. What does lightning look like for the new cast? Oh, sparkle. Long press to apply. Okay, so now it has this sparkle in here. Let's see what that looks like. It has the little sparkles growing. If you don't like that, you just hit the X and it goes away. If you want to keep it, hit the check mark. You can hit this to watch the entire video, scrolling back, or just at a certain part. And I think that's good. I'm happy with this. Now is the time that we hit the save button. Now, when I hit this is when it'll actually save. Because this is the free version of this, I have to watch an ad. You won't have to, but we'll come back when the ad's all done. Okay, now our video is saved. YouCut already has a bunch of different options for you to choose which one over here. I'm just going to hit the YouTube button. And when I do that, it'll automatically hook it up to your YouTube account if it has it on the phone, or whichever program you have. It allows you to preview it on the YouTube platform. You can go through all of the other steps of adding sound here, or you can go back and add sound actually in YouCut, and the other video shows you how to do that. Again, there's an ad you have to watch. However, with the YouTube music, you don't have to watch an ad and it lets you use it for free. If you haven't seen how to do that, click Add Sound, and it takes you to a whole bunch of music, and you can search for whatever you have. When you have music you like, you can have it saved and choose whichever one you want. Once you have it all, you click your next button, do your details, and all that other stuff. I hope this helps you make some better videos, and maybe you learned a thing or two in it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, and tell me what kind of videos you like to make. Or if you want to see another video of how to do more things with YouCut, put that in the comments down below, and we'll see if we can get those videos made as well. Alright, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on Pappy Tinkers.